Once upon a time, in a busy city filled with towering buildings and busy streets, there lived a clever crow. One sunny day, Crow found itself feeling very thirsty. It looked around but couldn't find any water nearby. But just when things seemed hopeless, the crow spotted something shiny on the ground. It was a plastic bottle. But alas, the cap was on tight, and the crow couldn't open it. Crow was trying to peck at the bottle's cap, but in vain. Crow didn't give up. It looked around and saw a kind person walking by with a water bottle. Thinking quickly, the crow swooped down and caught the person's attention. The person stopped and unscrewed the cap, offering the crow a drink. The crow drank to its heart's content, feeling refreshed. And so, with a little creativity and the help of a kind person, the thirsty crow saved the day. Crow perched happily on a tree branch, surrounded by greenery, with the cityscape in the background. In a world where stereotypes and expectations often dictate the paths we take, there emerges a story that challenges the norm, a story of resilience, determination, and breaking barriers. This is the journey of Emily, the girl who defied the odds to become the school topper. Hello friends, my name is Emily. I always believed that my gender shouldn't limit my dreams or aspirations. I wanted to prove that girls can excel in academics just as well as boys, if not better. Growing up in a society where gender biases were prevalent, Emily faced skepticism and prejudice. But instead of succumbing to societal expectations, she used them as motivation to prove herself. Emily said, "I knew I had to work twice as hard to be taken seriously. But I was determined to challenge the status quo." Despite facing discouragement and stereotypes, Emily remained steadfast in her pursuit of academic excellence. She dedicated herself tirelessly to her studies, refusing to let anything stand in her way. There were times when it felt like an uphill battle, but I never lost sight of my goals. Through sheer determination and perseverance, Emily began to shine academically. She consistently topped her class, earning the respect and admiration of teachers and peers alike. Emily, being recognized as the school topper, was not just a personal achievement, but a statement that girls are just as capable as boys, if not more. As Emily's achievements gained attention, she became a role model for other girls. She shared her story, encouraging them to break free from stereotypes and pursue their dreams fearlessly. Emily said, "I want every girl to know that her potential is limitless. With hard work and determination, she can achieve anything she sets her mind to."